Open the file. We check our emails and chats constantly because we are afraid of missing something. We tell ourselves that responding instantly makes us faster, more valuable teammates. But the science suggests a counterintuitive truth. Constant checking does not improve your speed. It simply fragments your focus, spikes your stress, and increases your self-interruptions. By the end of this file, you will know what the email research actually measured, why push alerts generate self-distraction, and the simple protocol to batch your inbox today. This is the accessibility trap. We assume that if we check messages immediately, we get them out of the way. But checking a message introduces a new problem, a new request, or a new open loop. You leave your main task to answer the email, and then you must expend cognitive energy to load the rules of your task again. The data suggests that this constant back and forth makes you feel busier while reducing your actual completion rate. To see this cost, we look at the study from 2016 by Gloria Mark, Shamsi Iqbal, Mary Cherwinski, and Paul Johns. They tracked the email habits of information workers in their real offices. The researchers measured email duration, batching frequency, and self-interruption rates. They found that participants checked email on average 77 times a day. Crucially, they discovered that frequent email checking was strongly associated with a higher rate of self-interruptions. When people kept their email open or responded to push alerts, they became conditioned to switch tasks voluntarily, even when no new alert had arrived. The research also showed that limiting email checks to scheduled batches significantly reduced self-reported stress and frustration levels. Let us look at what this evidence supports. The research does not prove that you can ignore your clients all day or that you should never answer a chat. In many jobs, immediate replies are required. The safe claim is, if you have the operational flexibility, batching your messages is a low-cost design choice that directly reduces stress and preserves focus blocks. This is the protocol. It is called communication rules. You will establish 3 scheduled communication windows today. Window 1, the morning check. Open your message apps 45 minutes after you start your workday, allowing you to defend your first deep block. Window 2, the midday check. Review and reply to messages right before lunch. Window 3, the afternoon check. Answer remaining emails before your workday shutdown. Outside of these windows, close all email tabs, mute teammate chat apps, and hide message badges. If someone truly needs you for an emergency, establish a fallback channel like a phone call. At the end of your day, count how many times you broke your batching rule. Do not judge the number. Look for what triggered the urge to check. We put the communication rules template along with the full week 3 workbook spreads into a free PDF called the Focus Lab Starter Kit. It is linked in the description. Download it and batch your inbox today. Stop letting push notifications design your workday. Batch them. If you want the complete system, that is the book, The 4-Week Focus Lab on Amazon. Close the file. We will see you in the next one.